know, Starbucks really is everywhere, but now it may be heading to Yosemite National Park. According to the Fresno Bee, they spoke with the marketing manager of Yosemite Hospitality, who says they want to add it to their food court of the Yosemite Valley Lodge. They want to expand and add some new stores and restaurants into that space in that national park. Even if you go to Indeed.com that puts up job postings, they had one up there for Starbucks store manager at the Yosemite Valley Lodge. It's no longer available on this site, but it was here showing that they were looking for some workers. But a lot of people are actually petitioning this, saying that they don't want corporations in a national park, even posting a petition on change.org. They're looking for 15,000 signatures. Right now, they're pretty close at just about 14,600. And on this post, they're asking for people to comment, to sign this, to petition against that Starbucks coming in Yosemite Valley. They're saying they didn't even ask people in the area if they would like this, if they wanted this there. People are really upset about this. So again, there is a petition against this Starbucks on change.org. And let me know what you think if a big corporation should be coming into national parks.